Hello guys, how are you? My name is Maicon and I am a software developer in quality assurance in my personal life. And today I will show you how I create a simple test using Espresso in Android Studio. But before I show you, sorry, my code, let me show you what I have here, okay? And I just make an overview with my words, but then I will jump in the code and explain and show you the code and my app, and then I have here. But the main idea is I have a app. I create an app called Task Manager Plus, and this app I have login page and I have task. In this task we can remove, delete, update, and just double click and see with more detail and the task. Okay, now you have overview and but okay, now jump in the code and I will show my app here for you. Let me just close my camera because my face is not very important for now. Okay, I will decide just to stop here and I will rerun because I want to show you how I run the app. And here I have my local device. Okay, and here I have app, and then I need to just run here. When I click here, I run in my emulator. Let's see if everything is working. Okay, I think it's here. As I told you, I have the login page. The login page, we don't have authentication. Just, we don't have nothing here. You can see the messenger, the red messenger. I don't have the authentication now. And then we can just test something here or write testing, whatever. Just put some information and login page. Here, welcome test, welcome test. Here I have the home page. Here's a explanation. What is this? What does it mean? Task Manager Plus, and just more information. And here I have my task manager, and here's the main core that I have here for now. Here we can add. I will just put read the book this and I will just put book. That's for now. Save, it's okay, and now I will just edit, and now my edit it's planning to you the functionality. Here I just put up and sorry up here, and I will change the status to completed. It's not here because it's here. Okay, now you see the create, the edit. Now I will just double click here or just one click, and this is the task in detail. Here I used to just show with more clear or more space what I have here, because usually you want to sometimes want to create a task. The task could be short. I mean the title and description may, but sometimes could be long test, and then I use this screen for sure, or for provide for the user a better screen or better read the task here. It's used when we want to read the entire task, but that's okay, don't worry. And here I have the delete. Okay, that's it. Just an overview about my app and how I have code here. Guys, my idea is not to explain to you how I created, what I have here, the activity by activity, fragment by fragment, because I want to keep in focus in the Espresso. Espresso means automation test using Espresso. And here, this is my this class represent the login. me just put here again. The login here. Here I used to map the fields. I will just, Maicon, how you can map the field? I don't know if you know about the Selenium, but the Selenium, it's, we can just comparing, because in Selenium when we need to type some field or we need to create some tests, automation test, we need to just map in the elements. And here it's the same idea. Mike, where is this? Where is the element? And here it's element, it's this. Here you have the email, password, and login. When I want to create automation test, I need to provide for the Espresso the step-by-steps. I mean, okay, step 1, open the project. Step 2, field or typing something in the field email. In this case, it's username, but yes. Another is, and now we need to just type something in the field password in here, and then click in the login. This is the same way that user will do in our app. He will just put email, password, and click in the login, and that's it. And then he's expecting something. The idea is the same when we are talking about the automation test. You just replicate it or copy the same behavior that user do in automation. Okay? Why we need to do this? Because as a developer, it's very common make not 1,000 but many different builds. And then maybe in one of these building, it's could be break our system, or some developer wrote something wrong, or unexpected behavior app happen, and then we need to retest our app every time. If this is not normal, okay, I need to 10 guys for test them my app. No, we can create automation tests. This is the main idea and why is recommended using automation test. But that's okay, just explanation for that. Now I have the username here, password, and login. Here, login. Okay, this makes sense that when I say mapping the elements. And here, and after that, step 1. Type text in the username and the password and click in the button login. And then here in this line, I used to test what I expected and what I have. What expected is this, welcome, test this. Why I expect this? Because I type this username, okay? This is my behavior of my screen login after clicking button login with correct information. And let me just execute this. Here I have this one here, and I will just click in here and run. Let's see if everything is okay. We're running correctly. Something's happening. You see here, guys? Okay, the test is sorry, it's done. Let me just move here. Okay. And now this is the way that we can create a test and execute. Okay, this is the sample test. It's not very complicated. I have a small step here, and another I will test if this messaging appear in our app. But let me just open my camera again. Guys, I appreciate your time and for give me the opportunity to explain to you and show you how I create a test in User Espresso. But I know this is just a simple test. It's not a big system. I know because the app is not so big. It's a very small app, and then I use app to just make an overview and how we can use and how we can test. Okay, and I appreciate your time and see you next. Bye bye.